Here we are on a CC's that we just converted. As you can see, the prize hub's right over here. This here is where the previous game room was, which wasn't a whole lot of space, as you can see. As you look now, we've added a self-redemption unit called the prize hub. And this is the whole new game room. Shannon here is the owner-operator. He's very excited. So are these kids. They're all excited to have these new machines. All the latest and greatest equipment. Revenue streams. The extreme. Jurassic Park, Cruising Blast, Big Quick Crush. Make sure you have tall ceilings for these games. Wicked Tuna. Really fun game. The old Key Master. Minecraft. Rick and Morty. Latest and greatest in virtual reality, interactive. You can see your hands moving around as you ride a roller coaster. And the hottest air hockey I've ever seen. Power Puck Fever. This one is an attention getter for sure. And you have the milk jug toss, the ring toss. Ski ball lane master, big bass wheel. Party room to the left. To the net.